So, good morning, students.
Good morning,
Good
sir.
morning, sir.
Yes, today we are going to start the revision of the portion that is from magnetic effects of electric current. We are going to revise the solenoid today. Okay, we will be revising the solenoid portion. Let me present the screen first. Next, you will be able to see this screen. Is this visible to you?
Yes, sir.
Okay.
Yes, sir.
So see, in the last class, I can show it to you. Okay, just hold on. First of all, in the last class, you have done till clock phase rule. Can you see this? Yes, clock phase rule. I have given the information regarding what is clock phase rule and how to remember that. Computer science. If you remember computer science, that is CES. C for clockwise and S for south. Okay, C for clockwise direction and S for south. If you will remember that, then you will remember what is clockwise rule. No problem. Okay, today we are going to revise what do you mean by solenoid. Okay, the date for today is 4th of Feb 21. And we are revising the portion solenoid. Okay, everyone ready? Namaswan?
Yes, sir.
Any problem, Namaswan?
No, sir.
Okay, so we are revising which chapter, Namaswan? Can you tell me? Which chapter we are revising?
Magnetic current, sir.
Yes, very good, very good. Magnetic effects of electric current. In that we are revising solenoid. So first of all, I would like to know from you that what do you understand by solenoid? First of all, tell me how much information you have regarding solenoid. Tell me.
Sir, means it is a long coil, sir, which
Okay.
is bounded with copper wire, sir, inside.
Which is bounded by copper wire. Oh, somewhat it's correct. Yes. Anybody else? Shomalla, tell me, Shomalla, what do you mean by solenoid?
Yes, sir.
What is solenoid?
Sir, the solenoid is a long coil containing a large number of closed turn insulated copper wire.
Made of insulated copper wire.
Copper wire.
Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
Is that correct? Alright.
Sir, and the magnetic field that is produced in the solenoid, sir, it is similar to the bar magnet.
Okay. Okay. No problem. Alright. Just see here. So what is a solenoid? First of all, let me show you the solenoid. Alright. A solenoid somewhat looks like this. Alright. Understood? This is made of insulated copper wire. Okay, this is made up of insulated copper wire. So what is a solenoid? Solenoid is a long coil made of insulated copper wire. Any problem?
No, sir.
No, sir.
Everyone? Long coil made of insulated copper wire is called a solenoid. Okay. So, whenever in this solenoid, you will attach this solenoid with a battery and a key. Yes. If you will switch on if you close the switch, then current will flow in the circuit. Yes. Current will flow in the solenoid. This much clear? As current will flow in the solenoid, what will happen? This solenoid will show magnetic properties.
Yes, sir.
solenoid will show magnetic properties. Yes or no? Shubhajit, this solenoid will show some magnetic properties. That means this solenoid will have some magnetic field lines. Yes or no? So the magnetic field lines of the solenoid look somewhat like this. Okay, just check. What I am doing is different from a bar magnet. Check. What I am doing is different from a bar magnet. You have to understand this very carefully because this comes in your examination. What I am doing is not like the bar magnet. It may look that it is like a bar magnet, but no. See here. Properly. Acha, everyone is here? Everyone? Am I audible to you all?
Yes, sir.
Sir.
See. So, whenever I have connected the solenoid with a battery and a switch, then current is flowing in the solenoid. As current is flowing in the solenoid behaves like a magnet. That means it has a magnetic field. And that magnetic field's orientation we understand with the help of magnetic field lines. Yes or no? And the magnetic field lines I have drawn here. What I have drawn here? Sir, magnetic field lines. Yes or no? Any doubt?
No, sir.
For a bar
No, sir.
magnet, magnetic field lines start from the North Pole and it ends at the South Pole. Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
And it has to
Yes,
be
sir.
dotted lines. Remember, it's not a regular line, it has to be a dotted line. Like this. Clear? I shouldn't draw, just for the point of understanding I have drawn like this, but no. It has to be a dotted line. Yes? It starts from the North Pole and ends at the South Pole. But in the case of a solenoid, the magnetic field line starts from the North Pole, it goes up to the South Pole, outside the solenoid. And inside the solenoid, you can see it starts from the South Pole and it continues up to the North Pole. That is, it is forming a closed loop. Can you see? The magnetic field lines are forming a closed loop. Outside the solenoid, it is from North Pole to South Pole. Inside the solenoid, it is from South Pole to North Pole. Is this clear to you? Can you see?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir. Yes,
Is
sir.
this visible to you? Navaswan?
Yes, sir.
Navaswan?
Yes, sir.
Are you understanding what am I saying?
Yes, sir.
Just clear your doubts now. Points will not be repeated again. I am repeating. Okay? Today you can ask me 100 of times, no matter. But later it will not be repeated. Understood, Navaswan? What I am trying to mean?
Yes, sir.
Yes. Come on. See here. Let me show it to you once again. If this is the solenoid, see here, if this is the solenoid, that is inside the solenoid, the magnetic field lines are like this. You can see here, it starts from the South Pole, ends at the North Pole. Can you see what am I drawing?
Yes, sir.
Outside one is clear to you, no problem. Inside one only I am interested to draw. Okay, can you see the inside one? Outside one you can draw like this in the first diagram. But the inside one is clear to you? Everyone?
Yes, sir.
Okay. So
Yes,
can
sir.
I say the lines inside are parallel to each other? Lines inside are parallel to each other. Bolo yes or no?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Inside the magnetic field
Yes,
lines
sir.
are parallel to each other. And parallel magnetic field lines shows what? Parallel magnetic field line shows what? They shows that the magnetic field is uniform. Remember, the magnetic field is uniform. Always remember, parallel magnetic field line shows magnetic field is uniform. So, a question may come that how is the magnetic field line inside a solenoid? You have to write down magnetic field lines inside a solenoid is uniform. Understood? What do you mean by uniform? At any point, if I take any point inside the magnetic field line, here or here or here, at any point A, B, C, the magnetic field strength is same throughout. Understood? The magnetic strength is same. Yes, if I keep a nail here, the nail will get attracted with a force at place A, at place B and at place C. All with the same force it will be attracted. Understood? Any doubt?
Sir,
No,
can
sir.
you explain it once again, sir? I didn't understand, sir.
What I said, that inside the solenoid, the magnetic field is uniform. It has uniform magnetic field. Okay? Inside the solenoid, the magnetic field is uniform. Any problem? Anybody?
No, sir.
Very good. Kaustav, Shubhajit,
No, sir.
that's good.
No, sir.
Next, who is the another boy here? Yes, come on, tell me. I'm forgetting his name. Just a second. Shomallo,
Yes, sir.
understood?
Sir, clear, sir.
Clear?
Yes, sir.
That's good. That's good, Shomallo. Okay. Now, what else you have to study? What else you have to study in solenoid? Okay? What else you have to study? See here. See, the magnetic field in a solenoid, the magnetic field in a solenoid can be increased. It may happen like this, that inside the solenoid the magnetic field is less. Okay, you want a much more stronger magnet. Okay, what do you mean by magnetic field ray? The region around a magnet within which the effect of the magnet can be experienced. That means what? If you want the magnet to be strong, the magnetic field has to be strong. Understood? If you want a magnet to be strong, the magnetic field has to be strong. Am I clear to you? Similarly, for a solenoid, if you want to increase the strength of that solenoid, that means you have to improve the magnetic field. Yes or no? Yes,
Yes,
or no?
sir.
So how you will increase the magnetic field? Can anybody tell me? What are the
Sir, by
points?
increasing the current in the circuit.
Very good. By increasing the current. Increasing the current in the circuit. Always remember, if you will increase the current, previously you was giving 5 ampere current. Now increase it by 10 ampere current. What will happen? The magnetic field will increase. Understood? If we increase the current, magnetic field will increase. Any problem?
No, sir.
Next,
No,
what
sir.
can be done? What can be done? Anybody else? Tell me what can be done. Any idea? Anyone? Okay. By increasing the number of turns in the coil. By increasing the number of turns in the coil. Okay? What I am trying to mean by this? Come on, anybody tell me. What do you mean by number of turns?
Sir, means sir that how much closer the wires will be to each other, sir, the more power will be produced.
Repeat.
Sir, the more number of coils will be wrapped around the solenoid, sir.
Yes.
Sir, the more power will be produced.
Acha. So anybody else can define that, what I am trying to say, by increasing the number of turns in the coil. See here, let me explain. Navaswan, you are correct, okay, but clear it in this way. Suppose this solenoid is having 1 turn, 2 turn, 3 turn, alright, over, and there is another solenoid which is having 1 turn, 2 turn, 3 turn, 4 turn, 5 turn, 6 turns. So which solenoid will have the improved magnetic field, increased magnetic field? My dear, this B solenoid will have higher magnetic field as compared to A. Have you understood? So these are the turns.
Yes,
1
sir.
turn, 2 turn, 3 turns. But here we have 6 turns. Is this clear to you?
Yes, sir. Sir, please.
Any problem? Kaustav?
No, sir.
No, sir. No, sir.
Shubhajit, Kaustav?
No, sir.
Today, Shomallo.
Yes, sir.
I am forgetting this name today. I don't know why, but the name Shomallo, again and again I am forgetting.
Yes, sir.
Okay.
Yes, sir.
Alright, that's good, Shomallo. Next, see here. Very important point. This is point number 3. This point number 3 is also very much important. Okay. What is the next way by which we can improve the magnetic field? Tell me.
Sir, by changing the material, sir, the type of material, sir.
So the core soft iron ore material,
Yes.
sir, which is used for making solenoid.
Navaswan, material aspects we will not discuss. Okay? Material aspects we will not discuss. Alright. That happens. We are using copper wire. If we change the type of wire, surely it will affect. Surely it will affect.
Yes, sir.
But do not write this point in your examination, because this point is not mentioned in your NCERT. Okay? Don't try to write anything which is ambiguous, because at the time of examination, I don't know, you don't know who is going to check your paper. As it is not mentioned in your NCERT book, there is a fair chance that he will get no marks for that. Okay? If the teacher wants, he can reject that answer. So do not write anything which is ambiguous. Okay? Write down the 3 points which is mentioned in your book. Nobody is going to cut the marks. Okay? By introducing a soft iron core. Soft iron core inside the solenoid. Inside the solenoid. So what do you mean by this? We have to place a soft iron core inside the solenoid. If we will place that, what will happen? The magnetic field strength will increase. See here. Suppose I have a soft iron core here like this. This is what? Soft iron. Remember, if you will touch this iron, it will feel soft. No, not like that. The name is only soft iron. Understood? Everyone?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
It doesn't feel soft. The name is only soft. Alright? Now you wrap this with the help of a wire. Insulated copper wire. So what has happened? We have introduced a soft iron inside the solenoid, and this will improve the magnetic field. Understood? So these are the 3 points which you will opt to increase the magnetic field inside a solenoid. Is that clear to you all? Anybody has any doubt?
Yes, sir.
Anybody
No,
has
sir.
any doubt? Come on, tell me first. Anybody?
No, sir.
No, sir.
Okay. So I hope with this, your definition or your point for solenoid is over. Alright? This much. Now, what to do else? Okay? From this point, we have come to know another term that I am going to discuss with you, is that it's called as electromagnet. What is called as? Electromagnet. Any idea? Tell me. Electromagnet.
Yes, sir.
Who can tell me what do you mean by electromagnet? Come on,
I
tell me
can
first.
define.
Define.
Sir, the magnet which is the magnetic means in any iron materials or sir the magnetic field is created by current, sir, is known as electromagnet.
Again.
Sir, in any means any good conductor of electricity, if sir the magnetic properties are created by the passing of current through it, sir, it is known as electromagnet.
Any good conductor. Acha. Okay, somewhat it's correct. Yes, you are correct. Anybody else? Kostov, tell me. Kostov.
Sir, sir, it is used to sir describe the electrical and magnetic forces. Sir, effects to produce which is produced by the electric current.
No, my target is not to find out what it is used for. It has several uses. I just want to know what you mean by electromagnet. That is, what is the required knowledge that you have regarding electromagnet? How it is made? Can you tell me how electromagnet is made?
Sir, I can tell.
No, I have asked Kostov. Any idea, Kostov?
No, sir.
Okay. Just see here. Right now I have drawn a diagram which I am repeating again. Okay. See. Let me take, first of all, let me take what I will say. Same soft iron core. Okay. Let me take the soft iron core. Will that work? Okay. Like this. Alright. Now, what I am doing, I am wrapping a wire over it. With a battery and a switch. Now come on, tell me what has happened in this. If I close the switch, what will happen? If I close
So
the
the
switch, what will
magnetic-
happen?
Sir,
Anybody?
Yes, sir.
Tell me.
Sir, the electrons will start flowing from the cell, and sir, it will go create a magnetic. Means it will flow through the wires, and sir, which will.
That means what? Current will flow. Electrons will flow.
Yes, sir,
That's
current
correct.
will flow.
Simply we can say what? Current will flow in this coil. Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
So remember, this is the arrangement that I have shown right now above. Yes or no? So what we have done, we have taken a soft iron core. Okay. Any iron core that works best. Okay. And we have wrapped wire over it. And that wire is suppose is conducting wire. Yeah. That is, we are passing current, that means it will be a conducting wire, rather we will take copper wire. And we are passing current through it. So what's happening? This arrangement is showing some magnetic properties. Yes or no? Or rather, in simple word, I can say it becomes a magnet. Yes? If I keep an
Yes,
iron
sir.
nail here, what will happen? It will attract it. As simple as that. So what have you understood? That electromagnet is a type of magnet in which the magnetic field is produced by an electric current. Yes or no? Electromagnet is a type of magnet in which the magnetic field is produced by an electric current. Any doubt?
yes, sir.
So, generally what it has, it consists of wire wound into a coil. There is a wire, big wire, which I have wound in the form of a coil. And a current which passes through this wire creates a magnetic field. Yes or no? And that magnetic
Yes,
field
sir.
helps in attracting the
Yes, sir.
metal pieces. Okay? If somebody will ask you the definition of electromagnet, what you will say? A type of magnet. Just a second. A type of magnet in which electric current is used to produce magnetic field. Here we use a soft iron core. Here we use a soft iron core wrapped with copper wire and pass current through it. Okay, so this is the explanation of an electromagnet. Any problem? Anyone? Tell me.
No, sir.
Anybody?
No, sir.
No, sir.
Shomallo, Kaustav, Shubhajit,
No, sir.
Navaswan.
Yes, sir.
No, sir.
Everybody is clear?
No, sir.
Okay. So,
Yes,
we
sir.
will continue up to this much today. In the next class, we will start the applications of electromagnet. Alright? I hope you have understood today's class properly.
Yes, sir.
Yes? So,
Yes,
thank you for today, students.